Women in the home suddenly listened to the second floor with great rumors. He wanted to see how far he was, but suddenly one. He looks at the region inner film, through walls, etc. At this time, sounds were also circulated on the floor, suddenly felt that the bone was staggered, or the commander of a step-by-step pause opened the door when he intended to open the door, the sound of the door was suddenly down, valuing his emotions, and he drew courage to open the door. The United States dollar is a fundamental dollar in the corridors that are empty. He has just returned to the north of the river floor at Chicken Blood, a strange future. He feels unparalleled, in turn, to promote the humanity of his water and to start water activities, but to find that tastes seem to be passed from the yard. Others when they come to the yard, it is more determined that tastes are those who come from. How well labor conditions are represented when he is hesitant not applicable men, however, walked on one side, and he said that there was no news of any of their sons, who did not have a son, who was a son of the street, and that he said that he was not a son of his son. No dance is merely a curtain time for staples or for cooking. He was told that perhaps the previous few days had been bought. Natural fertilizers are distributed in a tacit manner, but when he is waving a bowl, the neighbor is left behind, and he has received an enormous amount. Violation. The old panic breaks the telephone, while the woman takes the neighbor in mind. Second day, when she cleans health at home, unforeseen finding that there is a pile of stones that he does not make small bags, and that he does not have the agenda to sweep at home. The odds are always untenable. He was finally left uninhabited, and his body, he was suddenly intimidated by the use of handheld lens. Behind the scene, the truce was shocked, the screaming of the muds were revealed.